taillights just came in. They're from DNA Motoring. And I paid like $240 for them. Half the price of the actual Buddy Club ones. First look, imagine if they shipped the wrong one.
Ooh, wow, they're nice.
Oh, I think we have a relay as well.
What's that? Think sequentially, right?
Yep.
Okay, 90% of this.
Are they actual Buddy Club?
No, let's turn it around. That's the back. That's the back. Here it is. Here's the front. Oh, it is Buddy Club.
Are these actual Buddy Clubs?
No, oh, they could be fake paperwork.
I only paid $230 for these Buddy Clubs.
No, I know they did drop in price a lot. They did drop.
Only one way to find out.
It says it on the front.
These are not Buddy Clubs.
Where does it say?
It would say it right here.
Oh, really? I can't believe they went to the extent of making fake paperwork.
No signs of Buddy Club on here anywhere.
That's the sequential sign, I think.
Yeah, sequential on and off. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see how you take these off.
You have to take that clip off.
This clip's the first thing that comes off.
I'll take it off with your army knife. See? You're done. This is one of the easiest installs.
Alright, and there's
ever.
4 nuts in there?
Yeah. I kind of want to time myself how long this will take, starting from right now. Let me just check my phone.
I'll just have my
11:53, let's go.
One clip.
Right here. There we go. And that's it. Done. Did these have the lights installed?
I hope so.
Oh, okay, let's just put this right here. What's the time at right now?
3:20.
Whoa, how do you get to 3 minutes already? Well, 2 minutes to take it out, 2 minutes to put it on. It's gonna be about 5 minutes per taillight.
I like how you do all the work.
I don't. I don't think you're supposed to even tighten these like a lot. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like they're supposed to be kind of like loose. But I'll just tighten.
How were they the first time?
Barely tight, so I'm gonna do it just like that. I was driving around on my BRZ with only one bolt on, so, and that was like drifting and stuff, so. Sequential on or off?
Off.
Off?
So much better. But it's gonna look a lot better when they're on, especially when I'm braking. These stock ones are so bad.
Can I rip this off right now?
Sure. Dude, what? That's so sick.
Wow. Dude, they're amazing. Alright, let's do the other one because I don't want to see that one anymore.
Second side out.
Where's that other Aventador looking taillight?
Bad fitment?
No, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, maybe this plastic wasn't going in right here. So. So the biggest holdup on this install was this thing. If you have a ratchet instead of a wrench, it makes it like 3 times easier and faster. I think realistically could have been done in 2 minutes, but it's not like one of those pit stop competitions, you know. So that's it, completely done in 18 minutes. Imagine if the sequential thing is on, but you don't have the, if you don't have the relay, if there was a check engine light.
So we're checking right now. How do you work without the relay?
The lights and then nice whatever tip. Whoa! Something's wrong. Are the turn signals working? What do you mean barely? It's blinking really fast. What's going on? Oh!
No relay.
That's normal or no?
Well, for no relay, that's normal, yes. Because they need it to work.
Oh, because the relay fixes it, because this is not stock, right? On the stock, it's only these that work. It kind of ruins it. Not gonna lie. Hold on, let's see. And it's really annoying. Maybe just flip the switch, see what happens. Is that what you want to try?
No, I want. So the turn signal is only in this portion, not out here. So on this one, it's only lighting up over here.
Put it like right on the bottom so you can see exactly. That makes a lot of sense, yeah. No electrician, but
Flip the switch.
you see what happens.
Turn the blinker off and let's flip the switch and see what happens.
All right, I just flipped the switch on.
Oh.
Okay. It's so sick.
Yeah, we don't need any relay.
Yeah, wow.
So the relay is only for sequential?
Yep.
I don't like the sequential.
I mean, whoa. I like the sequential, but I gotta figure out how to install the relay first. I think these completely transform the car. Completely.
What do you think transforms it more, wheels or taillights?
Ooh, wheels.
So overall, what do you think? Are they worth the $230?
Are you kidding me? They're worth like 1,000. Look at this.
Well, look at this. You could see glue from the outside.
Honestly, it's worth it. All right, for 1,000, maybe it wouldn't be worth it if you saw the glue. But you paid what? $230 for them? $240?
$230. Real buddy clubs are $500.
Yeah. So.
But look at that glue.
That's nothing, man.
So probably in the future, like a month from now, I'll make a video, see if there's condensation inside.
Yeah, that'd be a good
which will be likely. All right, one last time. Try all the turn signals, slam the brakes.
All right, I'm gonna hit the brakes left and right. Wait.
Do brakes while turning.
Ben, what would you say your experience with these so far, like putting them on? What do you think of them? The pairing?
So far, I think 10 out of 10 for the value.
Man, it's definitely worth it. Anyways, definitely worth the money. I'm definitely gonna get this on my FRS that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna be doing the same thing kind of with as he did with this one, but I'm gonna try to do as much work by myself instead of having someone else do it for me. And
yeah, for those of you who don't know, I got this car from Copart for $4,500.
Yeah, but you didn't do like any work. You just had somebody do it. It was definitely worth it, but you could save a lot of money doing it yourself. I had a BRZ before this that was smashed. I didn't think I was going to be able to fix it, but I ended up fixing it. So this is kind of like what it looked like before. It was smashed really bad in the quarter panel, and then after it was fixed, it looked amazing. I did submit it for the Copart rebuild challenge, so if you see it, definitely vote for it. But I do like some crazy stuff here, like I fixed front ends. Look at this. Cut this Jetta front end off. I didn't use the whole thing, just used the front little portion of it. But it's just some of the stuff that goes on here. This is actually a parts car. Parts Acura RL. It's flooded. You can see everything's rusted. But
what's this?
Oh, this is just a little toy. I don't know. It's kind of broken right now. But this is the BRZ wheel that I had before. From the hit, it cracked right there. Look at that. It's a pretty serious crack. I don't even know how that happened. It must have been a serious hit, right?
Well, this is what it looked like.
Yeah. So I could definitely see this happening from that hit. Kind of sucks though, the tire looks good.
Not this part.
Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. But yeah.
Do you have any before pictures of this GLI?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that in. Hold up, I'm gonna talk about that later. But, so I had that BRZ, I fixed it, I love the car, I sold it, but now I miss it a lot, so I'm gonna get, I was looking for one for a while on Copart, but now I finally see an FRS, which is the closest thing I could get to one that I like. And I'm probably gonna go for round 2 on it. So, you're gonna pin my comment or something, right?
Definitely.
I'm gonna leave a comment, pin my channel, subscribe. You're gonna be seeing all of that coming on soon. Probably starting as early as Monday next week, no joke. So Monday that's gonna be up, and
maybe you could do a quick Samcrac today.
I'll probably do a little Samcrac tutorial on how it looks on Copart.com. Anyways, take a look at this car. This is, if I know the one that I see right now on Copart is a super easy fix, because this car was obliterated in the front. I mean, the frame rail was bent downwards. I thought this car could not be fixed.
And that's why you got that parts car, right?
Yeah, I used the parts off of that one, put it on here, and now it looks mint. So this was a crazy hit that I did not think was going to be able to get fixed. So the FRS on Copart right now is a joke compared to this. So I'm definitely going to get that. It's just a matter of what it's going to go for. I really hope it's going to be for a good price, but I think it will be. This one was only $4,500 and it was a really light front end, right? Mine's got no airbags blown either. So yeah, that sums up what's going to be going on my channel, so definitely subscribe and you'll see all that soon.
How many subscribers do you have right now?
I'm at 1. I'm at 1 subscriber, but that's because I haven't really gotten full-fledged onto my rebuild yet, and I don't want to really pollute it with anything else, you know what I mean? So that's it.
I just like the sound of it.